Hey everybody, it's me again, the Beast, and Phil with his system on. This system's lasted me, with this one, a year. Notice that, a year, and they still look pretty good with a bit of colour work. So here it is, and look at the base, there's the man. I live by how I try and teach people. That's the base, the two twins here, with the Beast behind, and the system. But I'm making a change today. Apparently it's a bit of a spooky day today, so so I'm making a change. See what happens. C22 and exfoliating glove to remove the excess adhesive. Shaving foam goes on, and I will bick, or I won't. Megan will bick the top of my head, and this will help the bond better for the end result. What day is it today? Is it spooky day today?
It's a bit spooky.
Megan just said, now I'm recording, that you just had to block her drains. I wonder what's in them. Blood? By any chance? This is a mud pack which helps exfoliate the scalp, okay? Things are getting spooky.
Relax your legs.
You mean stop looking at your creases? Things are getting spooky, Megan.
They are indeed.
Megan is applying on this spooky day Ghost Bond Platinum. Is that correct without laughing, Megan?
That is correct.
The Grey Man. It's coming along nicely.